In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the window regulator on this 2006 Chevy Silverado. On this vehicle, there's 4 things that you have to take out. A screw behind here, one down underneath the handle. You'll have to remove this plug, and there's a Torx screw right here that has to be removed. We're also going to need to remove this. The next thing we need to do is to disconnect all of these plugs underneath here, including the speaker. I'll do a close-up so that you can see how each of these plugs are released. On this first one here, you just push back on this tab that's on top and then pull. Same with the next one. Now on this one, you need to push down on this small piece of plastic right here, and then this metal arm can move over. And on the last one, just squeeze on this top part right here, and that'll release it. We're going to want to remove this window control panel from the door because we're going to have to be able to run the window up and down while we're working on it. There are 3 screws underneath that we need to take out. One here, here, and one right there. With the screws out, we should be able to take it out of there now. Now we can hook up the 2 connectors that are part of the window control circuit. Next we'll pull this plastic up so that we have access to this opening down here. Next we're going to need to loosen a bolt right here and also one over here, and that's going to end up loosening the clamps that are holding the window in. Now we're going to want to take some duct tape or some black tape, and we're going to want to put it on the window and over the top of the door so that the window doesn't come down when we run the controller back down to the bottom, because we'll have to run it down to the bottom in order to get the old one out. With the bolts loosened, we'll go ahead and run that controller all the way to the bottom. I got this new controller off of Amazon. I'll put the numbers to this one in the description for this video. Now disconnect the electrical wires from the motor. Now we'll need to remove 6 bolts. One here, here, down here, one over here, right here, and down on the bottom. Now we'll put the new one in. There's a metal tab that sticks out on the top of each rail. One here and one here. They help hold the rail up until you get the bolts in. Now we'll hook the motor back up. Now run it up to the bottom of the window. Be real careful when you run it up, because you want to make sure first that these clamps have been loosened enough so that they'll go over the window. Once they're all the way up, go ahead and tighten down both bolts. Remove the tape and then try it out. Perfect. Now we'll just put the door back together and we're done.